Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video from Mardan, Pakistan, and we're here at a place called Tikkala. It's in Mardan. It's got an open top seating area. It's situated in a nice place. It's nice and cool upstairs. There's also a seating area inside where you can eat. The venue looks nice, the place looks nice. Buffet place inside as well. We usually have a buffet at Ramadan times. We got invited by the manager to come and have a look at the kitchen and show us around. And whilst we were inside the kitchen, we had a look at the rice and what else was cooking. Yeah, this is kabli pulao, and we had a look around as well. The kitchen was nice and clean.
Chinese section. Shenwari section.
Yeah, this is Shenwari section here. And as you look over here, the guys are chopping up the chicken and stuff. Over here there was some woks, and here the karais, and the barbecue section was over here. We had a look. The barbecue section is obviously my favourite section, and this is some of the food that we had ordered, and it was getting prepared fresh in front of us. It was a nice place. Kitchen looked really good, and that was finger fish there as well. And they're really happy that the manager invited us and showed us around the kitchen, which is a positive thing. They also had the little tandoori naan here going on. The smell from the kitchen is amazing. Tandoori naan and everything else that are cooking. Lovely. They also had this little area here.
Weddings, engagements.
Some small parties for birthday, like marriage anniversary, 15 to 20%
And do you have a Facebook page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Everything, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.
Okay. For guests?
Yes.
So a customer could rent this for the night? Okay.
Depend on customers, how many days they have.
Okay.
2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 10 days.
Our food is cooked in front of us in the kitchen. It really is really nice. And the smell from it was amazing, absolutely amazing. It's a really nice place here.
Station there. Lecture amak kisi dekho da Tikkala Restaurant bara bes building mani bara ze. ډیر مزیدار دی د کانی نو مرګریم دوی خوش اخلاق دي نو تاسو راتلی شئ د ویزټ هم کولی شئ هوټل هم کتلی شئ هر څه کولی شئ اوپن کچن دی دا مړز دی او انکل یې خوري
MashaAllah, the food is amazing here. Everything is cooked to perfection. Haven't got a bad word to say about this place. They also do drinks like mint margarita, pina colada, all alcohol free obviously. It's an amazing place. We killed our food, alhamdulillah, destroyed it all. There's absolutely nothing left. This place is also a hotel, as in a hotel you can stay here, which I was a bit confused about earlier on when the other guy was showing me the room. But it's a brilliant place. If you're passing by Mardan, pop in. And inshallah we'll see you in the next video.